Welcome. Thank you for watching this video presented by Cost Store Fixtures. Questions should be emailed to coststorefixtures@outlook.com. This application uses the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet program. Microsoft and Excel are trademarks and property of Microsoft Corporation. A Microsoft Corporation license is required to use the Excel program. The instruction example covers foundation principles and demonstrates the process by calculating the cost of a pedestal fixture step by step. Each instruction example consists of a macro button and a cell comment. To read the text of the macro before clicking the button, hover over the cell to the right of the button and the text of the macro is displayed. Complete the instruction example to develop an understanding and proficiency at preparing a cost workup. The instructions example is on the instruction sheet. The instruction sheet is the window currently displayed. The example starts at row 157. To get to the example, click the fourth button labeled B.000 Example Cost Workup Pedestal. The focus of step 1 of the 3 steps is on the principles of this process and how to enter dimensions on the single project dimensions sheet. Example item 1.3.07 Input Base Door Opening Depth in cell R496. Base door opening and panel dimensions are detailed dimensions. The layout design used in this application mimics the fixture shape or order as it will be fabricated. Find and click the button labeled DMNS S1 DOR BSE OPNG LWR. That means dimensions section 1 door base opening lower. Base door opening dimensions are entered in row 496. The base door opening is located in the lower area of the fixture, therefore within the group of detailed dimensions, the base door opening is lower in the list of dimensions. Exit the macro after reading the message by clicking the OK button. Enter the amount specified by the macro. Depth is the dimension from front to back. In cell R496, enter opening depth 0.75 inches. The base door opening depth refers to the depth of the door. The base door depth does not pertain to the depth of the cabinet. The cost of the door, not the cabinet, will be calculated with these dimensions currently being entered. After entering depth, return to the instruction sheet by selecting the tab to the left along the bottom of the window. This example 1.3.07 is completed. Continue the instructions example by clicking item 1.3.08.